Hey, what's happening, guys? Today we were working on this amplifier head. This is an older 100 watt solid state Fender FM100, and if you look down here you can see one of the potentiometers has been snapped off, so we're going to replace it. I have the genuine Fender replacement part here and replacement knob. Unfortunately, well, you can see that the knob is brown, well those are black. Can't find these in black anymore, but we spoke to the client and he's okay with the brown one. He says I'll just paint it. So let's see if we can get the chassis out of here and we'll get everything ready to go. Alright, well, we got it out without too much difficulty, so now we're going to have to remove the circuit board from the chassis. And it doesn't look like it'd be too much trouble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws there. And of course we'll have to remove all the nuts along the front. So that's next. If you work on guitars or amps at all, this Music Nomad toolkit, they are not a sponsor. I just like it. And one of the coolest things it has is this little guy here, which is great for popping off knobs. And then the screwdriver handle itself has a number of hex drivers on it, so you can use it as a wrench, and it's for the standard sizes that you would use for, you know, any and all guitar related stuff. Very cool. It's like 20 minutes later and I'm just getting all the rest of the screws out. I think I've got them all, but one hiding under the transformer there. Really don't want to have to take the transformer out to get to that, but I might have to. See if we got some sort of long and skinny in here that might help. Flex shaft. I think we might be onto something. Alright, alright. The only question is, does it have a big enough you know what? Oh, there we go. I just didn't have it in there enough. Alright. Can we make it happen? Ah, son of a... Alright. So there's our pot we got to change. Just looking. It looks like I gotta desolder these guys. So 4 and 3, 7 separate things need to be desoldered. So we'll start off by just mixing in a little modern solder. They're coming pretty good. Alright, what do you think? Solder sucker or solder wick? Let's see how solder sucker does first, huh? Not bad. I'm getting the mounting points out first. Then we'll get to the electrical contacts. Alright, now we're to the electrical contacts point of the show. Alright, see how we did. And it wiggles right out. Now we just got to get the new one in. And put everything back together. Okay. Alright, let's see if I can get in here and hold this in place with one finger and solder it with the others. Yeah. Not so bad. And just reassemble now. All right. Let's get her back in place. I'm going to wipe off that front panel first. Hang on. All right. Get all these screws on here. And the washers. You don't want to watch me doing that. I'll be back. Now we'll get some of these screws going back in here. They are really, really tight. Like surprisingly tight. That one wasn't too bad. Just pain in the butt one over here that was underneath the transformer. And we'll do the rest of them. Get these nuts on here for the transformer. And we're moving along okay. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. I know you can't really see me reaching over to get the nuts, but I gotta hold the transformer in place with my one hand, so bear with me. Alright, there she is. All put back together. Let's go give her a test. Alright, I got it plugged into the cabinet, 4x10 there. Not bad. Just make sure the volume knob actually works. Cool. So a pretty simple repair, but time consuming with everything you have to take apart and put back together. But that's it, and it's done, and hopefully the music store and the client will be happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the sponsors. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to you for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.